Matthias with Toast. I'm going to demonstrate how to install a Toast real wood cover on a Nintendo Switch Lite. We're going to transform your Nintendo Switch with this awesome wooden cover, giving it grip, style, and protection. Included with your Toast cover are detailed instructions located on the insert card. These give you the alignment points and tips on how to make a perfect installation. Your Switch Lite kit consists of multiple parts, a top panel and a back panel, as well as a button card that includes buttons and covers for the micro SD and game card covers. Also included is an alcohol wipe for cleaning your Switch before installation, and you also want to grab a rag for just cleaning off that alcohol. The Switch that we're going to install this on already has a glass screen protector on it. Most Toast covers are designed to go over or work in conjunction with screen protectors. So we'll start the process by cleaning the Switch for a good bond. We want to really focus on the edges and sides. The curved bits are the tricky places for the adhesive to bond well. So clean it with the alcohol and then dry it with a clean rag. You always want to test fit before applying the cover. Make sure it fits properly. See how the top panel fits nicely around all of those buttons. So once you got that, we're going to peel off that backing paper. Make sure to pull off all the backing paper, including all the little tabs and things like that. It's a tricky cover, so there's a lot of little finicky edges. There are some dots that are intentionally left behind. Those are going to help with removal of the cover once you're done with it. So peel off all of the backing paper except for those perfect round little dots. It helps to peel really slowly. Sometimes that helps get the paper off in one piece. So then lay it down really nicely around the edges of the screen and those buttons. Make sure that alignment is really perfect. And you can shift it side to side if you need to get even alignment over the button. Then we're gonna roll over the ends, making the wood conform to the shape of the Switch. Push along that edge and then roll it over. And last, we're going to do these wings. You're going to just take the wood and push it down into shape, helping it conform to the complex contours of the Switch. It's all scored to wrap and take to that shape. You just need to push it into place with your fingers. Then we'll flip it over and apply the bottom cover. See how that aligns to the cover you just installed and speaker holes. So peel off that backing paper and make sure to peel off all that backing paper. Pulling slowly helps get it off little wings and parts. This time it will leave some long strips behind. These are intentional for helping remove the cover when you're done with it. So now we're going to align to the cover we just installed and those speaker holes. Get that nicely butted up there. And then lay the cover down. And roll it over to meet up nicely to the other panel. Then we're going to roll the sides over. Roll over the big area of the side first, meeting up nicely to the front panel. And then over to the corners. Roll the wing over. Make sure those score lines match up nicely to the previous piece. Just press those into place with your finger. You can kind of shove them in direction if you need to get that alignment perfect. And then on the other side, we'll do the main section, roll that over to meet up with your other cover. And then work the corners together, bringing all those score lines to meet up nicely. And you can press with your fingers to kind of shift things around, get it to line up nicely. So now we're going to roll all those corners on a table or a hard surface so that we can make the wood conform to that shape. And that really helps to set the adhesive and make that wood fit to the round contour. Lastly, we will install the button covers and the covers for the game card and micro SD slots. So there's a button card that includes all of these. Peel that backing paper off and see how the button comes out. We'll start with a volume button with the plus minus on it. And then a tiny little power button. It's kind of tricky to get in there, it's just a small button. You can move it around with tweezers or a pen or something to get that nicely lined. Then we have the covers for the game card and micro SD slots. Peel off that backing paper, see how that comes out, and apply that over the game card door and the micro SD door. So there you go, gorgeous real wood cover for Nintendo Switch Lite. Full access to the buttons and joysticks, nothing's impeded there. You can apply it over a screen protector, covers the back and sides, fully wrapping the Switch in gorgeous walnut. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.